A worship prayer for children. Dear Lord, you are so good to everyone. You are so kind to everyone. You are so powerful and you know everything. Only your Son, Jesus Christ, and the Holy Spirit are like you. I love you, Lord, because you deserve it. You deserve my loyalty and trust. You're my God, and I am your child. I feel perfectly safe with you. I know that you will protect me because I'm your child and you love me. Please help me to love you dearly in return because you deserve it.